Hi peeps! Materials we need: CD, 2 kinds of liquid lipstick, and a lip brush. Please make sure to sanitize your CD. Showing here 2 colors that most of you may already have. Voyager. This is the dark color. And Seductress, which is the ultimate matte, best for Filipina skin. So the possibilities are endless. So in here, I'm using a small amount of the light color Seductress and more on the Voyager. By the way, welcome to Mochabomb channel, and please also check my playlist that we have. We have various lip vlog videos for you, and hit subscribe on that red button or down below, and don't forget the bell notification. So we can use different types of lipsticks, but you can use creamy or the bullet types, or even the crayon that you can scrape on the side. But the ideal here is the matte liquid lipsticks. So we're using a CD because this will not dry up as fast. As you know, with the matte ink, we don't want to ruin our skin. So this produces a light brownish color combining these two. So tell me what kind of lipsticks that you have in mind that you want to experiment with. Comment down below. Also, the main problem with stickiness with the Maybelline Superstay matte liquid lipstick will actually diminish by using a lip brush. Since the formula is quite thick, that's our only issue with this one. But this is the ideal lipstick since we need a mass proof this pandemic, and this is for people who want to save money, like mommies or even students. You don't have to buy all the kinds of color. You can create your own that will suit your skin tone. So you have to make sure you mix it thoroughly. You can use 2 colors or 3, it's up to you. There's no limit, and make sure to have fun with it. You may reuse the CD, or if you have, you can just use a new one whenever you use this. You may also use the small mirror of your old compact, and you can restore it that way in the same compact until your next use. Just make sure to always, of course, clean the CD or the small mirror right after each use. And do not forget to subscribe. Here you see me apply Seductive and Lover. So we use more of the Seductive than the Lover. And as you can see, this one actually produces a kind of Kylie lip kit type of color.